Now, quickly, we are starting with what we call hydrocarbons. So, what are hydrocarbons? Basically, the word hydrocarbon comes from two different origins. Hydro, which means what? Hydrogen. It comes from hydrogen. And then carbon, from carbon. Okay. Now, when we say hydrocarbon are special type of compounds. They are organic compounds. So we say that hydrocarbons are what? Organic compounds. Right? Right. They are organic compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen only. That is what we call hydrocarbon. So they are made up of carbon and hydrogen only. So generally, the major sources of hydrocarbon include where we can get hydrocarbon from in nature as the sources. So one, we talk about fossil fuel. We can get it also from natural gases. Right? We can get most of these hydrocarbons also mainly from petroleum. Right? So these are some of the natural sources or the sources where we can get hydrocarbons from. So in the large extent or in the major extent, when we want to establish the places of hydrocarbons, there are basically three major formats or forms by which we can get these hydrocarbons. So before I proceed further, let me quickly give the divisions of the major hydrocarbons. The major hydrocarbons are divided into three. We have those we call alkanes, right? We have the alkenes, and then we have the alkynes, right? So we shall be looking at each and every one of them one after the other. Now first, when we talk about alkane, what comes to our mind? What comes to our mind are methane, okay, e.g. methane is an example, ethane, propane, butane, and so on and so forth. Under alkene, we have substances like ethene, right, propene, butene, and so on and so forth. And under alkyne, we'll be talking about things like ethine, right, propine, and then maybe butane, and so on and so forth. So here are some examples of hydrocarbons and how do they exist in nature. So before we move briefly, let me just quickly conclude this aspect with some examples of what we call alkenes, and alkynes, and let's examine how they are drawn in their structure. For example, alkene, for example, methane. Methane has one root word of carbon atom. So let me stop. We are going to discuss it extensively in the next video, that is under hydrocarbon 2, how we came across each one of them, that is the methane, the alkene family, alkene, and the alkyne family. So basically, the three major groups where we can find the hydrocarbons are the alkenes, alkenes, and the alkynes.